Welcome back to our channel, ladies and gentlemen. Now in this case, you've been told to determine the red area. So if we take this problem to the whiteboard, how do we determine the red area? Now if you look at this diagram, we have the bigger triangle ACE and the sub-triangles inside triangle ACE. Now when we let the length A to B to be the height H and the length A to E to be A and the length B to D to be B. Now, we've been told the area of triangle ABC is 144 units square. And you can see triangle ABC, that's a right angle triangle. So the area of triangle ABC is going to be a half base, which is H times height, which is A. So half base times height is a half AH, which is giving us 144. So a half A times H is 144. Now from there, if you make A the subject of the formula, it implies you multiply both sides by half and you divide by H, you get A is 144 times 2 over H. Again, if you have triangle BDE, the area of triangle BDE is 63. So you know the area is a half the perpendicular height times the base there. So we have that is going to be a half BH. So a half times B times H you get is equivalent to 63. So that implies that if you make B the subject of the formula, B is going to be 63 times 2 over H. Now you know 144 times 2 is 288 over H. 63 times 2 is going to be 126 over H. Now we found the value of A and B. Now if you look here, triangle ACE is congruent to triangle CBD because this angle here is also 90 degrees. So we have the triangle ACE is congruent to triangle BCD. Triangle BCD. So if we start with the linear scale factor, so the linear scale factor, when you compare the bigger triangle, one of the length of the bigger triangle is A over the length of the smaller triangle is B. So the linear scale factor is A over B. Now from there, we can now get the area scale factor. So area scale factor you get by squaring the linear scale factor. So if you square the linear scale factor, you get the area scale factor. So that is going to be A squared over B squared. Now if you take this area scale factor, A squared over B squared, meaning you are comparing the area of the bigger triangle over the area of the smaller triangle. So what is the area of the bigger triangle? So let us say that this unknown area, red area, is, if we say this red area is X, then the area of the bigger triangle, triangle CAE or ACE, is 144 plus 63 plus X. So that is going to be 144 plus 63 plus X over the ratio of the smaller triangle, the triangle BCD. That is just X. Now, if you simplify that, what do we have? We have A squared over B squared to be equals to 144 plus 63 is going to be 207. So we have 207, then plus X, then everything is over X. So X is a common denominator, meaning we have 207 over X and X over X. Now if you do the substitution, we now have A will be given to be 288 over H and B is 126 over H. So A squared over B squared, remember H squared is going to cancel with H squared, we are just going to remain with 288 over 126 squared. A squared over B squared is the same as A over B all squared. Remember, H will cancel out with H on A over B. So that one is now what is equivalent to 207 over X, then plus X over X is 1. So if you take 1, the other side we will have 288 over 126 squared, then minus 1. Positive 1 when the other side is minus 1 will be equivalent to 207 over 207 over x. So when you have 288 over 126 squared minus 1, what do we get? 207 over 49. So there we have 207 over 49. So we have 207 over 49 is equals to 207 over x. So from here you can see 207 cancels with 207. We remain with 1 over 49 is equals to 1 over x. So when you cross multiply, you get x is equals to 49. And remember, x was the area of the red region. Therefore, the area of the red region is 49 units square. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the simplest means to determine the area of the red region. If you have another trick, you can leave it in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next presentation.